Hello everybody, Killdeer here. Just want to say happy Mother's Day to everybody, and got the old truck running again, new motor, but yeah, she's a good looking one. But anyhow, wanted to share with y'all what I found here at Mother's Day. Over here, see that old dead tree up there? Must be a red oak, because that's the only place these mushrooms grow. I'm over at my daughter-in-law's mom's house for Mother's Day, but as you can see, that tree's dead. And it must be a red oak, because these mushrooms are only found on dead red oaks. But here we go. Big old pile of chicken of the woods. That thing is huge. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut. I can't get it off. Okay, I got them pulled up. That just goes to show you how big they are. Right there next to the truck. Here they are on the back of my tailgate. But you cut them up in chunks and you bread it and you deep fry it or fry it just like you do regular chicken. As you can tell here, once they start peeling apart, they look like chicken too. So, that's why they're called chicken of the woods. But they are good. They taste just like chicken nuggets. But that's what they look like. I just gotta cut all that stuff out of it, the grass out of it, and the weeds out of it. And you bread them up and you fry them. But they're just like chicken. Thanks everybody. Bye.